What if I told you you already died in the pandemic? Not in this reality, but in one of the infinite universes where things went horribly wrong. Sounds insane, right? Well, according to quantum physics, it might just be true. Imagine tossing a coin. In your world, it lands on heads, but what if in another world it landed on tails? Sounds like fiction? That's actually a real idea in quantum physics. The many worlds interpretation, or MWI. In 1957, a physicist named Hugh Everett proposed something radical, that every time a quantum event occurs, the universe splits. Every decision, every possibility creates a new universe. It's like reality is a cosmic tree, constantly splitting, endlessly branching, forming a near infinite number of parallel universes, each just slightly different from the next. One universe where you hit snooze on your alarm today, another where you didn't, one where you became a doctor, one where you never made it past high school. And if it's true, then somewhere out there, in one of those universes, you didn't survive 2020. The COVID-19 pandemic was a defining moment, a true global branching point. In our universe, we were lucky. Science fought back, vaccines were developed, but in many other versions of reality, the story didn't end so well. In some branches, the virus mutated faster, governments collapsed, humanity never recovered, and in one particularly dark timeline, there was no one left to tell the story. So what happens when you die in another universe? Nothing, because your consciousness is only aware of the branch where you survive. This idea is called quantum immortality. You never actually experience your own death. Instead, your consciousness always jumps to the universe where you made it. And maybe that's why you're still here. Not because you were lucky, but because all the unlucky versions of you are no longer observing this timeline. So ask yourself, what are you going to do with this one version of life where you got another chance? Maybe we're not just lucky. Maybe we're chosen by quantum fate. If this blew your mind, imagine what else could be happening in the infinite multiverse. Hit that subscribe button and let's explore these questions together. Like, subscribe, and tell us, what version of Earth do you think you're in?